At the beginning of the 19th century, the now Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte, who you see represented here in perhaps the most inappropriate of ways, began to redistribute the great art of Italy. And in fact, a great collection was sent north to the city of Milan, where I am today. And in fact, the museum known as the Pinacoteca di Brera, or the Brera Gallery, was inaugurated on Napoleon's birthday. And in fact, you see him here behind me in his birthday suit. And the collection still housed here today includes masterpieces such as the Dead Christ by Andrea Mantegna, the Marriage of the Virgin by Raphael, the Montefeltro altarpiece by Piero della Francesca, and the Supper at Emmaus by the great Caravaggio. So if you're in Milan, be sure to stop by to see the great collection here at the Brera Gallery. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy. All of it shot here directly in Italy.